Welcome to the video review of the Schleich Farm World Rodeo Show. This is actually a very cool set. As you can see, it comes with 2 cattle and 2 horses. We're gonna take a look at the bull. Now, it is actually a very nice bull. It is posed like he's gonna charge. Now we're going to take a look at the Texas Longhorn calf, and no, this actually is very, cool. Now we're going to take a look at the quarter horse. As you can see, it is a black and white repaint of the one that came with, the Angus calf and a dog. But the one that came with, Angus calf and a dog was brown. This one is black and white. Now we're going to take a look at the Mustang. It's actually a very awesome looking horse. Overall, a fun set of figures. They're definitely 4 paws.